Now, after the preliminary hearing, like I said, we've learned a lot usually through that preliminary hearing, and we can use that to continue the conversation with the prosecution. Now, in most instances, you will not have an assistant DA prosecuting the preliminary hearing. Most of the time, it is a county attorney or county prosecutor, rather, or the city prosecutor that is going to be carrying that thing forward at the prelim. All right, so what that means is it's not the prosecutor who is going to be handling the case before the grand jury where the indictment decision will be made, or at the post indictment phase, like before the jury, right? A lot of times, the DA's office, they don't know exactly what's going on during that preliminary hearing, but we're there, right? So at the conclusion of the preliminary hearing, the judge will say something along the lines of, I find there to be probable cause, and I bind this case over to await the action of the fill in the blank county grand jury. All right. So it goes from this preliminary hearing, and now we have the information, and the case goes to the DA, and we can go to the DA along with what we know about it, right? Sometimes the DA is not even in possession of the file when we're talking to them. So we get to kind of set the stage early and put our spin on all this before they get the file. And we at least get to put our spin on it before they present that to the grand jury if we're in at this phase. And that can be very important.
Want to know more? Like and subscribe to our Eichelberger Law Firm channel to check out more videos on this and other important legal topics.